Machine learning used to be something only data scientists could handle, but now AutoML is changing the game. Imagine you run a small business and want to predict sales trends. Instead of hiring an AI team, AutoML tools like Google AutoML, H2O, AI, or Microsoft Azure AutoML analyze your data and build a model in just a few clicks. No coding, no complicated algorithms, just results. And it's not just business. AutoML is transforming healthcare. Hospitals are using it to analyze medical scans, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer earlier. In finance, banks use AutoML to spot fraud in real time, catching suspicious transactions before they cause damage. And in e commerce, think about how Amazon seems to know exactly what you need before you do. That's AutoML powered recommendation systems at work. But let's be real, AutoML isn't magic. It won't fix bad data or ask the right questions for you. Think of it like a GPS for machine learning. It gets you there faster, but you still need to know your destination. So, what does this mean for the future? More businesses, researchers, and even solo entrepreneurs can use AI without being AI experts. As AutoML improves, it's making machine learning more accessible, more efficient, and honestly more exciting.